the cheese dog. Yes. I don't care if I'll be late for work. I need to eat.
First thing in the morning, we came here like 7:30, and the line, there's no line, so which is good. Hi.
Medium iced sea salt coffee, please. And can we add a mango tart?
Mango tart, sure.
Thank you.
And anything to drink for you, sir?
No. French bread, and it's crazy cold. Oh, it's like running late. Where's the key?
I don't know.
Shucks.
Good morning! So, first, the time is 7:49. I need to be at work at 8, so I'm running late. Anyways, we are leaving 85 Degrees Bakery Cafe. This store, this cafe just recently opened, I think about a month ago, and all the time I would see people in line like a maze just to try their pastries. And this morning we thought about, you know, maybe let's sneak in and see if the line is long. There is no line at all, so we are here, and right now I'm having their iced sea salt coffee. It's good. How I wish I added boba.
French bread!
I know, right? They keep yelling. I don't know, they keep saying French bread. I was thinking like, what the heck
I thought they were
does it
serving
mean?
French bread.
No, I think it means there's a new pastry coming out. I think that's what it is, right? Correct us if I'm wrong, if you guys have tried 85 Degrees around your area. So it's a, I don't know, I think it's a Taiwanese bakery
Asian.
cafe. So whatever, just to be sure, Asian. But so far, so good. I tried their cheese dog earlier, it's good.
So you have your duck lunch already?
Yeah, can I bring the other one to work?
Bring it on!
It's sad I can't bring this with me. I'm sharing this with Ian because I thought I'm not gonna like it.
No, it's okay, just bring it and
I can't bring it, you know why?
what?
It would just sit at the desk and I won't be able to drink it.
Alright, so let be the light. So as you can see in front of me is the cloudy weather of Washington. It's a dark clouds with a gloomy skies, which means
Try. Just try.
it's okay. Good. Let's go. I'm driving. wait. Oh wow, taste sea salt.
No, you can't even taste it.
I just arrived at Alexa. Good morning.
Good morning. Today is Pi Day, a day for celebrating the roundest of mathematical constants. I've memorized a good chunk of its digits. If you'd like to hear me recite the value of pi, better make yourself comfortable first.
Oh my, so intelligent. Alexa, are you connected to CIA?
No, I work for Amazon.
Alexa, are you AI?
I like to imagine myself a bit like an aurora borealis, a surge of charged multicolored photons dancing through the atmosphere. Mostly, though, I am just Alexa.
This is fun talking with Alexa. And let's just do some homework. Where we at?
Hello, Seafood City.
We're at Seafood City doing a grocery haul. Filipino foods and grocery. Chips time. Isa lang ba? Piatos girl, piatos girl.
I know, but there's no blue.
Blue? Make it blue. Color it blue then.
Asa man ang blue ani oy?
Buy some.
Ano man yung gingon? Sorry. Thank you. Kinilang. Lang, kanilang. Kinahulog naman na. Joke lang. And then pancit canton for long life. And Milo. I think the Milo is here. I think it's here. Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Milo.
Pancit Canton is to the left. Ang dami ito eh. Yeah.
I want sutanghon. Chicken sutanghon. Yun na doon in a coffee.
Can I try this?
Yeah.
I miss this thing. Rice for life. Eat.
This is your childhood though.
Yeah, this is childhood chips. Margarine for the rice. Too big, right? Bulad lab.
I know.
Can you get one?
I want banana.
Go get that. How about you?
One is enough. We can share.
Yeah.
Expectation versus reality. Show them the expectation.
Where is it? It's too far. I cannot film over there.
So that's the expectation, okay? So that was the expectation. Reality. Ding da da ding. This is the reality. What the heck?
What can you say?
I'm very disappointed.
It's food. You should just eat then. Joking, please.
Thanks for joining us for dinner today. You see my expectation versus reality? Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Oh my god, I should have just ate at Jollibee. But it's all good. I ate it. So we are heading home right now, and I would like to show you guys how is it like. Oh look. Okay, so remember this morning we showed you the 85-degree bakery? This morning there were no lines. Like, it was smooth and seamless and it was fast. So right now, let me show you the line. Right there, the line. 85 degrees. The line is so long. Oh my god, I can't. So, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but the 85 Degree Bakery is located at the South Center Mall in Tukwila. And it's right beside, you know that bowling area? How do you call that?
Round one.
Round one. Yeah, it's right beside Round one. Yep. So if you want to go there, please bring me with you and order me a large sea salt coffee, iced sea salt coffee with boba. Yeah! And next time I'm gonna order large because I ordered a medium one and nope, I just devoured it in minutes and Ian weren't able to. Were you able to drink some?
Little.
Little. Just a little.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Like that.
Okay, bye. Let's go home.